Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy bun updo on fine medium length hair. To start, I'm going to pop through some texture spray, and this one's really good because it has a heat protectant as well. Then, just dividing off the hair into manageable sections, I'm going to use my straighteners to curl each section in opposite directions to give it plenty of movement. This doesn't have to be perfect. This style can also be done on straight hair, but I find if you curl the hair first, it gives you a lot more volume. Once you finish curling, add a few more sprays of that texture spray and divide off the top of the hair from the end of the eyebrows and pop it into a ponytail. Clip this on top of the head for now, and then we're going to divide the rest of the hair in half. So we should have a middle section, and we're going to do a ponytail on that section as well. Clip it out of the way and then do one final ponytail on that bottom section. Now, starting with that bottom ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half horizontally, and I'm going to take each half and push them towards the elastic band to create a couple of little loops. Then secure over the top with a clear elastic band. Then just spread it out by pinching and pulling those little loops. And we're going to do the same steps on the other two ponytails. So move on to the middle ponytail and split it in half. Push those sections towards the elastic band and tie them together. Finally, let down that top ponytail, and I'm gently going to pinch and pull at the hair on the crown for some more texture and volume. Then one more time, we're going to split the ponytail in half, push the halves towards the elastic band and secure them together. Okay, now this is where we can really transform the bun. So take small sections of each of those little buns we've made and start pulling them in opposite directions to create more volume. Then just secure to the head with a couple of bobby pins. And we're going to repeat this on all three ponytails. So grab sections opposite each other, pull them in opposite directions and secure with a couple of pins. The messier you can get this style, the better it looks. So don't be afraid to pinch and pull this hair apart. Okay, once you've got everything pinned to the head, we're going to deal with the tail ends. I just pop a bobby pin on the end and slide it underneath the bun. So I'll show you on the side. So pop a bobby pin on the ends, sort of twist it towards the bun to create another loop and pin in place. Do this with all remaining ends. If you prefer it really messy, you can leave these hanging out. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.